Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Menopause linked to loss of grey matter in the brain. Poorermental. The study found that menopause is linked to reductions in grey matter volume in key brain regions, as well as increased levels of anxiety, depression, and sleep difficulties. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, does not appear to mitigate these effects, though it can slow the decline in reaction times. Post-menopausal women were more likely to have sought help from a doctor or psychiatrist for anxiety, depression, and to have been prescribed antidepressants. Women post-menopause were more likely to report insomnia, get less sleep, and feel tired, with those on HRT feeling the most tired. Postmenopausal women who were not on HRT had slower reaction times than those yet to start menopause or who were on HRT. The study found significant reductions in the volume of grey matter in brain regions associated with memory, decision-making, and emotion management in both groups of postmenopausal women. The researchers suggest these brain changes may contribute to the higher incidence of dementia seen in women compared to men. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.